Happy birthday.
Is it on camera or what?
Yeah, yeah. That's a white.
White one.
Okay. All right. No taste it. 3, 1, 2, 3.
Something like that. So we're walking back to our little hotel. We had to take 2 lefts and had to get in the grass and take pictures. It was okay. I had this big ugly yellow sign that was in front of the hotel sign, but I worked it out, so don't worry about it. So we're walking back to the hotel, and today I'm looking fabulous. Check myself out. Check the shoes. Or if I can find them. Yeah, there you go. Those are my shoes, and walking back, and we have a 8 o'clock time that we're leaving in the morning with our bus driver Philip. He's Portuguese, from Portugal, and we are walking. Get ready for tomorrow. Oh, and I'm celebrating my anniversary and birthday the whole trip. So I gotta watch myself as I cross the street. I don't want to get hit while I'm over here and end up in the hospital. And then have us a great afternoon, great evening. Hopefully we can get some sleep. Get up in the morning. Hopefully have a great breakfast buffet, because we've been getting most of our food from the breakfast buffet, because dinner's been so-so. The one that we had tonight was pretty good though. Something